I, Ashok Mishra, Assistant Professor, TIT Technocrats Institute of Technology, Bhopal. Today we discuss the artificial intelligence of introduction of artificial intelligence. Here, the goal of course is a fundamental understanding of the basic concept behind the artificial intelligence. What does it mean for a machine to exhibit AI? Basically, the AI system is what? The world real time problems are handling with machines with human intelligence. Here is sometime some called of architecture is given there. World sensing computation and action. What is the AI system? The component of AI system is this is where the AI agents live. Agents sensing take information from the world. Computationals make computation based on what is sensed, perhaps using time history of sensing readings. Actions act the world change states of the agent within towards some purpose. What are the common uses of or success of AI systems? Web search, Google, Ask, Yahoo, applications like marketing, loans, economic analysis, stocks to buy, product to produce, price to change, federal economic policies, computer games, criminology. Some AI systems they are better than humans. Checkers. Chinook was the first computer program to win the Checkers World Championship using heuristics search. Checkers is now solved. Some AI systems that are better than humans. Chess. Deep Blue was the first computer program to beat the world chess champion using powerful computers and bunch of very good heuristics. Some of AI systems are better than humans. Backgammon. TD Gammon was the first programmer to beat the world best player Gerald Tusro. And robotics. Robotics is the AI in the physical world. It is the hardest of field of AI because robots must sense and act in the physical world. The computer revolution can change the world. However, the robotics revolution, when it happens, it will make computer revolution pale in the comparisons. Robotics can change the life of humans by the using of AI. In future, there is drastic change in lifestyles. What about the AI? Thinking humanly thinking rationally, acting humanly, acting rationally. It means we have the knowledge, we have the brains. Human brains can done a work in many kind of ways, so that the knowledge can be shared through machine in various languages, and various kind of activities can be done through the machines, and these machines are acting like humans. That is the AI. Acting rationally, rational agents, rational behavior, doing the right things, the things which is expected to maximize the goal achievement given the available information. Rational agents, an agent is an entity of precessive and acts. The course about the designing rational agents abstractly, an agent function from perhaps strict actions. Some of states of art of AI. Deep Blue defeated the resigning world chess champions Gary Kasparov 97. That is the main important thing of that time, that machine can do anything. Proved the mathematical conjunctions, Robin conjecture, unsolved decades, no hands across America, deriving autonomously 98% of the time from Petersburg to San Diego. During 1991 Gulf War, US forces deploy an AI logistics planning and scheduling program that involve up to 15,000 vehicles, cargoes, pupils. NASA onboard autonomous planning program control the scheduling operations for a spacecraft. Provides solve cross-world puzzles better than most humans. That is AI. Personal view of AI by Greg Grudick. I want to build a robot that will clean my house, cook when I want to, wash my clothes, cut my grass, fix my car. For example, do the things I don't feel like doing. That is the personal view of Greg Grudick. Thank you, class. Thank you very much.